Hey teachers! In this video, we'll be discussing a little bit about the dashboard and how we can go about starting a live class for a subject and some of the features that are available to the teachers once a live class is started. So once you're logged in, by default you're taken to the dashboard and you'll be able to see a list of subjects that you are responsible for teaching. So to start a live class, we'd go ahead and identify the subject that we'd like to start the live class for. So let's say we're dealing with Form 5 CSE 1101. We can then go ahead and click on the View button within the Actions column. Once we click on the View button, we're taken to the Subject Note page, or the Subject Information page rather, where we can see all assignments, online exams, lessons, and so on about this subject. To start a live class, we'll go ahead and click on the Start Live Class button, and a live class will be started. Now, once we start a live class, students who are within our class, only those students will be able to join. By default, if it's your first time hosting a live class, once you start a live class, there are a few features that you need to enable, such as allowing the platform to access your computer microphone and accessing your computer webcam. To do such, at the top of your search bar, there is a lock icon. You just click on the lock icon and then you go ahead and you click on Site Settings. Once you click on Site Settings, you're taken to a page where you get to enable the microphone and the camera. So you go ahead and look for camera. So we can see cameras right at the top. And by default, it would be blocked. So we just click on the drop down and click Allow. And we'd also select our microphone, scroll down and select Allow. Once you're finished, you can then just go ahead and close the Site Settings tab, and in your live class page, it'll ask you to reload the page. You can then go ahead and click reload. And you'd need to restart your live class. So you can just click rejoin. And you're then granted your moderator rights once again. So that's how you go about enabling your microphone and your camera. So by default, your microphone is muted once you start a class, so you can go ahead and unmute yourself. To do such, you just click on the mic icon at the bottom to unmute yourself, and you can go ahead and speak. And once you're speaking, you can see that your initials would highlight that yes, you are speaking. To turn on your camera, you go ahead and click on the camera icon, and your camera is turned on. To mute yourself, you can then go ahead and just click on the mic icon again and you will be muted. Within the live class session, there is a chat box. So if you click on the little square box at the bottom left hand side of the screen where it says open and close chat, you just click on it and it opens a chat, and you can go ahead and send message to student, and students will be able to reply to you. In addition to that, there's also a share screen option. So more to the bottom of the screen, more to the left, there's a share screen square box. So if you click on share screen, a window would pop up and ask you to select which screen you'd like to share. So if you'd like to share your entire screen, then you select your current screen. However, if there's a specific window that you'd like to share, for example, if it's a PowerPoint, then you can select application window, and then you'd select which screen you'd like to share. And you can go ahead and click share screen. So in this case, you just click share screen, and now your screen is shared. Once you're finished, you can then go ahead and click stop share screen at the bottom of the screen to stop sharing your screen. In addition to that, if you click on the three dots on the bottom right of the screen, there's a features tab that would open up, and it allows you to mute all the students within the class. So if you click on mute everyone, it mutes all the students within the class. And you can also use the view full screen feature, which open up your browser or allow the video class takes up the full screen of your computer. The 4 square boxes allows you to change the view screen. So if you click on toggle, it would either show a speaker's view or it would show a list of all the students within the class. So here's the next feature where it allows you to record a live class and it stores it for the student to access. So if you click on the start recording button, It would ask you which screen you'd like to record. So you can select your current screen, and then it would start a live recording for this class. So once you're finished, you can then go ahead and click stop recording, and the video would download automatically to your system. It would also ask you if you'd like to upload this lesson for students to view. If you click proceed, then it would automatically upload. If dialog would pop up rather, and you'd have to put in a title. So let's say testing is this one. You can put in a description if you'd like, and it would ask you if you want to publish this. If you'd like to publish it for the students to see, then you'd leave the box checked. However, if not, then you just uncheck it. Once you're finished, you can then go ahead and click save, and it would upload the video for the students to see later. So those are some of the features within the live classes. And once you're finished teaching, hosting your live class, you can then go ahead and end the live class. To do such, you just click on the end live class button at the top. A dialog would appear and ask you if you're sure you'd like to end the live class. And once you're sure, you can then go ahead and click proceed. And teachers, that's how we go about hosting a live class and some of the features available for us to use within the live classes session.